In the previous video, we looked at the AutoCAD ribbon interface and all the different settings you could use. Now, I did mention in the ribbon that you have these panels. So there's the Draw panel, the Modify panel, and that's in the Home tab on the ribbon itself. Now, what we can do there is we can utilize a really neat tool, and it's called Sticky Panels. Now, these sticky panels allow you to literally hover over the title bar of a panel, click and hold and drag, and I can drag that panel into the drawing itself, like that. So I'm in the drawing area and I've got all my draw tools. Now, it may be that I want those draw tools available to me all the time, but I want to be working out of, say, the schematic tab on the ribbon, like so. So what I want to be able to do is draw lines in my schematic drawing and then make sure that I insert components and update those particular lines by numbering them as wires in a schematic drawing. Now, the neat bit about this is that draw panel just hovers there like that, and it's a sticky panel. You've basically stuck it into your AutoCAD electrical drawing area. I've got some options as well. If I hover, can you see I've got some little tools here? So I've got toggle orientation. I've also got return panels to ribbon. We'll look at that in a second. If I toggle the orientation like so, what'll happen now is when I hover over these, can you see they all go down off of the bottom like so? Now, if I go here like that and center, can you see it does the ellipses there, center, axis end, and so on. Now, if I toggle that orientation and go this way, can you see that again, they fly out that way like that. But if I go here, I expand out that way. That's what that orientation's all about. So if I hover here again and click there, can you see that the flyout menu is now at the bottom instead? So it's just allowing me to manage my screen real estate by bringing a sticky panel and sticking it like a post-it note into the drawing area. I'm in the schematic tab up here on the ribbon interface. So surely now if I hover here and go return panel to ribbon, it'll put it into the schematic tab on the ribbon. Click like that and just return that back, and it doesn't appear in the schematic tab. So where's it gone? If I go back to the Home tab on the ribbon, there it is. The draw panel is back where it should be. So it returns it to the appropriate place in the actual ribbon itself. So that's how your sticky panels work when you're working with your AutoCAD electrical ribbon interface.